We won't apologize or even think of saying sorry. This is the way we rock steady. Yo, let's get it going for the everyman. Anybody, you gotta be ready. It's heavy when we get it rowdy. We won't apologize or even think of saying sorry. This is the way we rock steady over everybody. You're probably shocked, probably ready to stop this already. You probably can't hang with the way we attack it so steady. We let it rock the Rover, bang the Benz, shake the Chevy, till everybody feels it in the chest. Say it with me. This is the time, so just follow me. Yes, you already heated to 100 degrees, so get up. Wait a second, you know the program. This is not a slow jam, this is not a love song. Unless you love tearing shit down. Take a look around, you're not running this, you're bluffing.
This is the way it should sound. Jump!
My rhymes to paint, the tracks to canvas. Find me puffin' tampers on the nearest college campus. Macaron, serving up beat like Pete Sampras. Drinking Jose Cuervo like some Spanish bandits. Make women panic when I tell them I'm on vantage. Don't take it personal, these are 818 antics. Hoes break the pockets like car mechanics. Every morning I bow down and pray like a...
Get your roll on.
Everybody get your roll on.
Motherfucker, bring. Tell me, nigga.